Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of 3 great products from the Active company. You have the automatic toilet bowl cleaner tablets blue gels, and this is what it looks like. We're going to open this up, we're going to put it in our toilet bowl, and you have the garbage disposal cleaner deodorizing tablets and the activewear laundry detergent. Now, I've used all these products before, so I'm really able to give you an honest opinion about them, and they all really work. So we all have those disposals that get kind of grubby and kind of filled with oil. This uses natural acids from citrus, and it breaks down those oils and allows you to clean your disposal. So it just opens, you open this up, and it has a tablet, just like that. And we're going to show you, just put that right down your disposal with water running, and that's how you do that. The activewear laundry detergent I've used before. It works really well. This will work for up to 90 loads, and it's made in the United States, and it's powder, so you're not wasting a lot of weight on the water. It's scientifically formulated. It's all natural plant-based enzymes that remove and eliminate smells primarily generated from sweat and fitness and gym clothes. Now, I've used this to do different laundry, and it works for everything. So for general purpose laundry, it works really well. But if you have some really stained stuff and stuff that has odors, this is going to really help it. So using those natural enzymes to pull the odors out. So we're going to give these a try. I'm going to show you how to use this. The toilet bowl cleaner tablets are blue and large, and you're going to get a little stain on your hand when you use them. That's normal, but we're going to show you how to use that also. Here I have the sink running, and I'm going to put the active tablet in there, turn on my unit, and that's it. So it's forming a foam and a cleaning agent as we brown that up beautifully. And that's basically it. Here I'm in my bathroom, and I have the toilet bowl cover off. I'm going to put the tablet to the right, which is, there's no mechanism right there. And it's designed to drop right down in place and slowly dissolve per flush. Very simple to use. So after testing and using all 3 of these products, what do I think about them? The automatic toilet bowl cleaner, the gel tablets, the garbage disposal cleaner, and the activewear laundry detergent. These are all 3 excellent products. I've used these before. They're worth giving them a try. I think you really like them. They all work as they describe perfectly, and they're all easy to use and implement. So I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.